Most traders see Ichimoku as a mess, with lines and clouds and colors everywhere. But for Japanese traders, it's not chaos. Rather, it's harmony. Ichimoku is not just an indicator. It's a story about balance between buyers and sellers, and momentum and rest, clarity and confusion. Today, I will show you how to understand Ichimoku the Japanese way, simple, powerful, and shockingly accurate. Please forget about memorizing the 5 lines. You will learn to see the market at one glance, the way it was meant to be used originally in Japan. Now, let's be honest. Most traders outside of Japan treat Ichimoku just like another indicator. They simply put it on the chart and get overwhelmed by the lines and move on to something else. But Ichimoku Kinko-hyo was never meant to be just a signal generator. In Japan, Ichimoku Kinko-hyo means one-glance equilibrium chart. It's designed so that you can look at the chart once and instantly understand the trend and the momentum and the structure all in balance. So Kinko means balance and Hyo means the chart. So the real goal is not to trade every cross. The real goal is to see the balance between buyers and the sellers. In Japan, we say 一目でわかる, which means you should see it in one glance, and that's the essence of Ichimoku. To be honest, when I first started trading, I thought Ichimoku looked like a mess on the chart. So I actually avoided it for months because I thought this is too complicated. But when I studied it from the original books that are behind myself, and I started to apply it, everything changed. I realized that clarity comes from simplicity. Once I simplified Ichimoku and stopped treating it like a technical gadget, then my chart reading improved instantly, and I began to see the story of the market, where it was strong, where it was tired, and where it might turn next. In fact, most professional Japanese traders focus on just 3 key elements. And Ichimoku gives you the panoramic view of the market. It shows you where the price is right now, which is the present, and where the trend has been, which is the past, and where it might be heading towards, which is the future. It's like seeing time and the balance woven together. And once you understand this concept, then you will never look at the chart the same way before. Now let's break it down the Japanese way to just 3 main components. Number 3, the Kumo cloud. Think of the Kumo as a heartbeat of the market, which shows the long-term equilibrium. When the price is above the Kumo, buyers control the market. When price is below, sellers are dominant. And the price is inside, that means the market is resting. It's in equilibrium. It's like the ocean. When the waves are calm, then you stay patient. When the storm starts, then you prepare to ride the trend. And here are some advanced tips about the Kumo. The thicker the Kumo, the stronger the structure. Never trade blindly into the thick Kumo. In Japan, we call it Kumo no kabe, the wall of the cloud. So when you see the market inside of the Kumo, then respect it and you will avoid many bad trades. Number 2, Tenkansen and Kijunsen. These two are like your short-term and mid-term equilibrium lines. The Tenkansen shows short-term momentum, so it's quick to react. And the Kijunsen shows medium-term stability, and it's calm and steady. So when Tenkansen crosses above Kijunsen, it's a sign that short-term momentum is gaining strength and it shows buyers are active. When Tenkansen crosses below Kijunsen, it shows sellers take over. But, and this is very important, never trade the crosses alone. Always see where it happens. If the dead cross happens above the Kumo, it means it's the end of the trend. But if it happens below the Kumo, it's the bearish signal. And if crosses happen inside of the Kumo, whether it's a gold cross or dead cross, it means uncertainty, so you better wait.
Finally, the chikou span, the most underrated line, and it's the echo of the market. It shows you what already happened and whether the current trend is truly supported by the past. If chikou span is above the price, it confirms the bullish momentum, and if it's below the price, it confirms bearish strength. Japanese traders see it as a shadow of truth, that it reflects the decision the market already made. So don't predict with it, confirm with it. Based on what I mentioned so far, here are 3 pro tips from the Japanese approach. Number 1, learn to see, not react. Ichimoku isn't for those who chase, it's for those who observe. The more you train your eyes, the less you will rely on signals. And number 2, use higher time frames first. Ichimoku was designed for daily and weekly charts. On lower time frames, it becomes noisy and choppy. So start with 1 hour, 4 hour, or daily time frames. Then you will see the balance much clearer. And number 3, combine with the clean price action. Ichimoku shines when it agrees with the structure, higher highs, higher lows, or clean pullbacks. The magic happens when Ichimoku and structure speak the same language.
So Ichimoku isn't complicated, but we just made it complicated. Once you stop chasing every signal and start reading the balance, then everything clicks. It's one of the few tools that tells you what's happening now and what has already happened and what might happen in the future. In short, a mid and long term all in one glance. Actually mirrors how nature works, rhythm, flow, and equilibrium. If this video helped you to see Ichimoku differently, then please click the like button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more upcoming videos. And you are more than welcome to join my Ichimoku community where I host live stream weekly and I do live trades in a private community forum. Now I have a question for you. Have you tried Ichimoku before, or does it still confuse you? Please drop your thoughts in the comments and let's learn together. This channel is all about making complex systems simple so you can trade smarter, not harder. And if you know someone who still thinks Ichimoku is complicated, please share this video to them. It might completely change how they see the markets. Finally, please remember, trading is not about adding more tools. It's about seeing clearly. And Ichimoku, when simplified, helps you do exactly that. Thank you very much for watching. Stay healthy, stay safe, and stay gold. またね。